how to cancel 11 Labs subscription. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can cancel your 11 Labs subscription. So if this is your question, just ensure you watch till the end and you'll learn how to do so. The first step is to sign in into your 11 Labs account. Move to the left side of the screen, move to the bottom part where you can see your profile icon or your profile name. Click on it, and in the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see options like profile, API keys, subscription, payout, become an affiliate, etc. Click on subscription. By clicking on subscription, you'll be taken to the subscription page. So once you're on this page, the next step would be for you to manage your subscription. And how do you manage your subscription? Scroll down where you can see the different plans available. So once you can see this plan, the next step would be for you to downgrade your plan. So for example, if you're on the creators plan, just move to the next lower plan and click on downgrade. You would downgrade that you would see here instead of the option subscribe, because it's showing subscribe because I'm currently subscribed to the free plan. So if you're on a plan like Creator Pro, or you're on a plan like Scale, like Business, like Enterprise, by the time you want to downgrade to a lower plan, you see the option downgrade, or you see the option cancel on your particular subscription page. So if you're on the creators plan, by the time you scroll down, or on this same button where you can see subscribe, you see the option cancel listed. Click on that and you'll be asked the reason why you'd like to cancel, or if you're sure you would like to cancel. Click confirm to proceed, and then just like that, your subscription would be cancelled successfully on 11 Labs. So this is it. This is how you can cancel your subscription successfully on 11 Labs. No stress, no hassles, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.